You have heard about Canva Pro and want to give the paid plan a spin to see what all the fuss is about. Well, you are in luck. We have got an exclusive Canva Pro invite link for you to score a free 30-day trial. That's over a month of full access to Canva Pro's premium design features to create social media graphics, presentations, documents, and more. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Your Digital Guide. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will understand how to get Canva Pro Team Invite link. With Canva Pro, you unlock access to over 75 million premium photos, videos, graphics, and fonts to make your design stand out. You will also get advanced design features like magic, resize, content scheduling, and team folders to collaborate with others. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur, business owner, or marketer, Canva Pro has the tools you need to take your visual content to the next level. Here how to get Canva Pro for free in 2024. Getting Canva Pro for free in 2024 is pretty straightforward. Here are the steps to score a free trial and access all the additional features of Canva paid plan at no cost. First, sign up for a Canva account. If you don't already have a Canva account, click the sign up button to create a free account. Enter your email address and password to get started. Then look for the Start Free Trial button. Once you're logged in, you should see a prominent Start Free Trial button at the top of the page. Click that button to begin your 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. Enter your payment information, but don't worry, you won't be charged. Even though the trial is free, Canva will ask you to enter a credit card number when you sign up. Don't panic, they won't charge your card unless you decide to continue with a paid subscription after the trial ends. You can cancel anytime before the 30 days are up to avoid being charged the monthly fee. Enjoy your Canva Pro features. With the free trial activated, you have now access to all the premium features of Canva Pro like extra templates, photos, icons, and fonts. You will also unlock useful tools such as Magic Resize, Background Remover, and Photo Enhancer. Take full advantage of these upgraded features to elevate your designs during your trial period. Then cancel before the deadline to avoid charges. If you don't wish to continue with a paid Canva Pro subscription after a trial, be sure to cancel it before 30 days are over. You can cancel your subscription directly into Canva account settings as long as you cancel before the deadline. You won't be charged anything for a Canva Pro free trial. Now, next question is where to find a Canva Pro invite link. So, you have decided to take the plunge and try out Canva Pro. Excellent choice. Canva Pro offers additional features beyond the free version of Canva like access to over 75 million premium stock photos, videos, audio clips, and graphics. Before you sign up for Canva Pro subscription through, you will want to find a Canva Pro invite link to score a free extended trial. Canva frequently offers promo codes and invite links that provide 30 to 90 day free trials of Canva Pro. Next, ways to hunt down a Canva Pro invite link. You can get down through various ways that is you can search online, you can check Canva's social media, you can look for podcast sponsorships, then you can sign up for the Canva newsletter, or you can ask Canva support. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. You can drop your queries in the comment section below, and for more such amazing videos you can subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Your Digital Guide. Thank you so much for watching. You can leave a suggestion in the comment section below what you want to see in our next video. Until next time, bye, take care, and have a nice day.